Do you remember that sinking feeling when you're traveling? You've just made an amazing discovery in a local shop, and then it hits you, you're running low on local currency? Or maybe you're trying to snag a fantastic online deal from an international seller, only to be hit with ridiculous foreign transaction fees. It's frustrating, right? We've all been there, scrambling for an ATM or watching our hard-earned money disappear into hidden charges. That's precisely where a multi-currency card like YouTrip becomes an absolute game-changer. Imagine a world where you can effortlessly pay in over 150 currencies without those pesky conversion fees. A world where you can lock in great exchange rates when you see them and manage all your travel money from the palm of your hand. YouTrip promises exactly that: seamless, fee-free overseas spending and smart currency exchange. But here's the crucial step that unlocks all that convenience: linking your YouTrip card to your bank account. Without this connection, topping up your YouTrip wallet can be a bit of a workaround, involving credit cards with potential fees or less direct methods. Linking your bank account, however, transforms your YouTrip experience into something truly streamlined and cost-effective. It allows for direct, fee-free top-ups, making sure you're always ready for your next adventure, whether it's a spontaneous weekend getaway or an online shopping spree across borders. So, how do you bridge that gap between your regular bank account and your YouTrip wallet? It's surprisingly simple, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure your YouTrip app is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and a smooth linking process. Once your app is up to date, open it and head to the top-up section on the homepage. You will usually see various top-up options. Look for one that says link a bank account or something similar. This feature is often powered by services like eGiro, allowing for direct bank transfers. Next, you'll be prompted to select your bank from a list of supported financial institutions. YouTrip works with major banks, so chances are yours will be there. After selecting your bank, you'll be securely redirected to your bank's login page or app. This is where you'll use your usual online banking credentials to log in. Don't worry, this redirection is a standard security measure to ensure you're authorizing the link directly with your bank. Once logged in, your bank will typically ask you to select the specific account you wish to link to your YouTrip wallet. You might also have the option to set a payment limit or an expiry date for this linkage, giving you more control over your spending. Review all the details carefully to ensure everything is correct, and then confirm your request. You'll often need to authenticate this step using your banking app's digital token or an OTP. After successful authentication, you'll be redirected back to the YouTrip app, which will confirm that your request has been received. It's important to note that bank approval can sometimes take a little while. It's not always instantaneous. You'll receive an email and an app notification from YouTrip once your bank account has been successfully linked and approved. And just like that, you're all set. You can now top up your YouTrip wallet directly from your linked bank account, completely free of charge, and always be ready for your next international transaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.